Hi there, welcome to Harry's World of Words and Phrases and English in a Minute. Today we're going to talk about prepositions, and in particular the preposition after, A-F-T-E-R, and we can use it in many different ways. After all, and this means in the end. For example, of course he would agree with her. After all, it is his daughter. After all. Then after me, if you're standing in a queue and somebody asks, are you next? Is it your turn next? Yes, and then you will come after me. We can also use after in the sense of later. So you go to the pharmacy and you're looking for your prescription to be completed, and the pharmacist will say, well, if you come back after 10 minutes or you come back after 5 o'clock, I will give it to you then. So after meaning later, okay? Or I will call you after dinner, after the meeting is over. And we can also use after when we're talking about someone who looks like or behaves like someone, like his parents or his brother. Oh, you take after your father, you take after your mother, meaning you behave or some of your behavior is similar to theirs. And then when we look at one thing after another, meaning one thing happened, then another thing happened. So one thing happened after another, a series of events. And then finally, when we are standing in line, for example, a teacher with the young children will tell the children to stand one after another. So one, then one, then one, then one, all in a line. Okay, so that's preposition after. And remember, as always, subscribe to our channel and join us on www.englishlessonvia.skype.com, and we'll catch up with you soon.